Most AI tools don't fail because they're bad technology. They fail because they're sold to businesses that don't need them or just aren't ready for them. After evaluating 50 AI tools using a real business framework, I found something uncomfortable. Most AI tools actually make businesses slower, not better. Today, I'm going to show you the types of AI tools that consistently fail in real businesses and why they fail, even when they look impressive. If you're trying to avoid wasted money, broken workflows, and AI regret, this matters more than any best tools list. I want to be clear up front. This isn't about calling tools bad. Many of these tools are technically impressive, but business success isn't about features. It's about the right fit. And after 20 years in tech, one pattern shows up again and again. The wrong tool added at the wrong time creates friction that compounds quietly. So instead of naming tools, I'm going to break down the pattern of AI tools that fail businesses and how to recognize them before they cost you time, money, or credibility. Failure pattern number 1, AI tools that create more work. The first failure pattern is simple. AI tools that promise automation but introduce more steps than they remove. These tools require constant monitoring, break silently, and push cleanup work back onto humans. And we don't want that. If a tool adds dashboards, rules, and exceptions before it replaces the tasks, it's already losing. Here's the rule. If the AI doesn't clearly remove work within the first week, it never will. Businesses don't need potential. They need relief. Failure pattern number 2, AI that doesn't understand context. The second failure is context blindness. Many AI tools are trained to respond, not to understand. They sound confident, but they don't know your customer, your standards, or even when to stop. Internally, this creates a lot of confusion. Externally, it creates distrust with your customers. AI that touches people without understanding nuances costs more than it saves. Context isn't optional in business. It's actually everything. Failure pattern number 3, all-in-one AI bought for the wrong reason. Some of the most misunderstood AI tools are so-called all-in-one platforms. The problem isn't consolidation. The problem is expectation. These tools fail when businesses buy them, hoping one platform will replace strategy, replace process, and replace discipline. But that never works. The all-in-one platforms that do succeed in real business aren't magic replacements. They're system engines. When a platform is modular, intentional, and built around clear workflows, it can dramatically simplify operations. But when it's brought in too early or treated like a shortcut, it becomes a bottleneck instead of leverage. Strong platforms amplify structure. Weak usage turns them into expensive clutter. The difference isn't the tool. It's whether the business is ready to use it as a system instead of a crutch. Failure pattern number 4, AI tools brought too early. This is one of the quietest failures and one of the most common. Many AI tools fail not because they're bad, but because the business just wasn't ready. If you don't already have clear processes in place, defined handoffs, and consistent inputs, AI won't fix the problem. AI doesn't clean up, it accelerates it. Buying AI before structure is like installing a turbo on a car with loose wheels. We know how that will turn out. Failure pattern number 5, tools that don't survive the CFO question. Here's the simplest test most AI tools fail. What exactly does this replace? If the answer is vague, say productivity, innovation, potential, that tool won't last. The tools that survive in real businesses replace a task, replace a role, or replace a cost. Everything else is simply decorative. creation. The danger of bad AI tools isn't just wasted money. It's team fatigue, loss of trust, and leaders becoming skeptical of AI altogether. And that's a real loss, because when AI is used correctly, it is powerful, but only when it serves structure and not fantasy. If this helped you think more clearly about AI decisions, consider subscribing. This channel is about using AI with judgment, not chasing every new release. And if you know someone who's about to buy an AI tool because it sounds impressive, share this with them first. It might save them months of cleanup, money, and time. In the next video, I'll show you which AI tools actually save 10 plus hours a week and why. No promises, no hype, just leverage that earns its place. See you next time.